Hey again, guys. So I'm gonna try and make some videos today. Um, Mainly working on the Jag. Gonna try and turn this around shortly, I think. And see if I can show you. Try and get this repair panel on here. Gonna start welding that on, and I'll show you some more of that shortly. I'll try see if I can do some video when Dad turns this around or whatever, or I turn it around. And actually I'll stop it, I'll turn the camera around, hold on. So another thing that's been going on is Dad's trying to get this, it's the part of the front hub assembly for this old tractor, whatever it is, a Massey Harris. I'm not sure what year it is. But it's fairly old. It's on steel wheels with truck retreads glued to the rims. They probably originally would have had cleats like that on it, but it's obviously been set out so I can run down the tar seal and not shake it to pieces. So this has been all welded up a long time ago. So Dad's trying to V this out and trying to see if I can get my brother, because he's an engineer, to get the right rods to re-weld this all up. And we're going to try and see if we can get a hold of a maybe an LPG torch or something like that to bring this up to a decent temperature before we weld it. So yeah, we might try and show you that too if we can get that done over the next 3 or 4 weeks. Just depends with this lockdown. It's not so easy to get that sort of stuff. But at least we can work on that and sort of play around with it. So yeah, I'll ask Dad what year this is later on, and I'll let you know. So this is a Massey Harris, and this is a when was it, Ford? Might be Ford, yeah, Ford St. Major, I think. Yeah. So I'm not even sure what year this is. I'm guessing this is probably, I don't know, might be 40s or 50s by the looks of it. I'm not 100% sure on that, because Dad used to have a little Fergie 35, but he sold it to a guy because he had like the little farm that he had, which was about 10 acres. He just used to use it to run around and do bits and pieces on there. Yeah, he had another tractor too, one sort of late 70s or mid 70s, David Brown as well, that had like a bucket on it, but he sold that to the guy that bought the place just for doing bits and pieces. But yeah, so he's been working on these for a couple of years, doing bits and pieces and trying to fix stuff up and get them running. And I don't really know what all he's done because unfortunately I haven't been here, but just something interesting and different. So if we can get some work done on this in the next, I don't know, a few days or a couple of weeks, I'll try and add some more to that as we putt around and do stuff on the old Jag. We're also going to make some patches up for the corners, the doors. I think all the doors are going on the corners, as you can probably see. There's a little bit of bubbling in them all and damage. I think we need to put a repair panel in here because there's a bit of rot in here too, where it's just filled up with filler just to tidy it up at one point. So yeah, there's that repair panel. Yeah, so this is the repair panel we're going to weld in. So we're going to put that all on, weld it up. Dad's obviously reshaped this a little bit, or we might have taken it off or something, I don't know. Just done a little bit of modification there to that, obviously to make it fit better at some point when he started doing that. So yeah, I'll do some more video shortly or a wee bit later on when we get this sorted. It's alive. Might be a bit cold, I think. That'll do. So I got this panel tapped in. It's not wired across the bottom because we're just test fitting this inner panel that's going to go back in here. So it's looking good. So I'll get it, I'll wire it all on here without wiring across the bottom so we can get this inner piece back in after. And yeah, clean it up, make sure it's right. Alrighty, here you go everybody. So I've got this patch all welded in. I've done a little bit of hammer and dolly work. There's already a wee bit of a low spot in here, which we'll try to get up a little bit, but apart from that it's not bad. Still got to finish welding it underneath, but we've got to put the inner panel in first, and that just gives us enough flex to get in and out. So we could work in there, then we'll weld around underneath and everything like that, but it's looking good. Got that all on there. It's probably the odd little pin I would just zap up, but it's coming up pretty good. Pretty happy with that. So one round there is pretty good. Nothing that a wee smear of filler or whatever it's not going to take up. Alright guys, cheers.